السلام عليكم.
وعليكم السلام. What's your name?
عبد
Can you
الله.
write your name? Okay, can you write your name? Rename your account. We will wait 5 minutes and we will start inshallah, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's start our session. Hello.
Hi.
Hello, guys. How are you today?
I'm
Hope you
fine.
are all fine. I'm glad to see you today. Please open your camera to see you. Could you please, all of you, open your cam? Do you see my screen? Hello. Do you
Hello.
hear me? Do you see me? Hi, Luigi.
Hi.
Please, all of you, open your mic and your cam. Try to open your cam, please.
Okay. Okay.
Abdurrahman, Jana. Hello, Jana.
Hello.
Abdurrahman, can you open your cam? If you see my screen, please tell me you see my screen. Do you see my screen?
Yes. Yes.
Abdurrahman, where are you? Okay, let's start.
Okay.
Okay, now I want you to pick hidden words from this picture, okay? I'll give you time, maybe minutes to think and the topic, okay?
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Please tell me, are you gonna watch a video or see a picture? Huh? Are you gonna to watch a video or see a picture?
The two is okay.
Are you sleeping? Yes, see a picture. Okay, how many minutes do you have to see this picture and try to pick what I want? How many minutes? 3 minutes. I told you that I'll give you your time for 3 minutes, okay?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. In this picture, I want you to find 6 hidden words. Look carefully at this picture and try to pick the 6 hidden words. I want from all of you to open your camera to share with me. Yes, if you know, raise your hand and I'll ask you to answer. Yes, Yanur. Yes, Yanur.
6 hidden words like R-O.
I want a word, not letters. Try to give me a word.
I find it.
Who are you?
I am
Jana? Okay, Omar, raise your hands, ya Omar, and answer. Okay, let's answer.
Or.
Or, okay. And what else?
Or.
Okay, what else? Can you find?
1 second.
Mariam?
age ولا page تقريبا page.
Super, ya Mariam, page. If you look at the boy that sits on the sofa, you will find P-A-G-E. This is the word page. Super, ya Mariam. What else?
I found the word read on the
Who
floor.
are you? Who are you?
Mariam.
Mariam, okay. What else, ya Mariam?
The word read.
The word what?
Read.
Read. Super, ya Mariam. Where's the word read?
On the floor.
No, it's not on the floor.
The rug. Next to the
It's
dog
from.
and the
It's
girl.
from the The dog's
Store.
ear.
Store.
Still,
Store.
the girl's hair. Super. This is R-E-A-D. Okay. What else?
Store.
There is no.
Who tell me store?
I also
Who tell
found.
me?
I found another word.
Who say store?
Me.
Who are you? Tell me your name.
Omar. Omar.
Omar. But it's a story, Omar. It's a story. Here,
Story.
S-T-O-R.
Yes.
And this is the letter Y. Story.
Yes.
Super, ya Omar.
Teacher. Miss.
There are another word. Another two
There is-
words. What are
There is
these?
no. There is
Okay. If you look at the
Okay.
sofa here, you will find the word
There is
novel.
no.
No, here. Novel, N-O-V-E-L. This is the word novel. Can you see it?
Yes.
Yes, okay. And if you look at this man from his ears, B-O-O-K, this is the word book.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Listen to me carefully. I'll give you some instructions and they'll ask you about them. Okay?
Okay.
Yasin. Wait, but first I want to.
Okay.
Yasin, Noor, all of you try to open your cam. Luji, Yasin, Mariam, try to open your cam to see you. Taja, Sarah, okay? And try to write your real name, okay?
Teacher.
Okay. Now you will watch a video. You have 2 minutes to watch this video. Watch it carefully because I'll ask you 2 questions about this video. Okay? And if you know the answer, please raise your hand.
Okay.
Tell me, how many questions are you going to answer? How many questions are you going to answer after the video? I told you 2. Yes, 2 questions. I told you you will answer 2 questions. Okay, are you going to listen to audio or watch a video?
Watch video. Watch a video.
Yes, watch a video. Super. How many minutes do you have to watch this video?
3 minutes.
3 minutes.
2 minutes.
Super. Super. Okay. And if you know the answer, raise your hand or write in the chat box.
Raise your hand.
Raise your hand. Supers. You are all supers. Okay. If you don't hear the video, please tell me, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
For a very special dinner, Stanley's Restaurant is a winner, eating side by side.
Stanley's International Restaurant is a very special place. Every day, Stanley cooks a different kind of food. On Monday, he cooks Italian food. On Tuesday, he cooks Greek food. On Wednesday, he cooks Chinese food. On Thursday, he cooks Puerto Rican food. On Friday, he cooks Japanese food. On Saturday, he cooks Mexican food. And on Sunday, he cooks American food.
All of you hear the video?
Yes.
Okay, let's complete.
Stanley's International Restaurant.
What kind of food does Stanley cook on Monday?
On Monday, he cooks Italian food. Thank you.
Stanley's International Restaurant.
What kind of food does Stanley cook on Wednesday?
On Wednesday, he cooks Chinese food.
Chinese food?
Yes, that's right.
Thank you.
Stanley's International Restaurant.
Does Stanley cook Greek food on Tuesday?
Yes, he does.
Thank you.
Stanley's Restaurant.
Does Stanley cook Puerto Rican on Thursday?
Yes, he does.
Thanks.
Does Stanley cook Japanese food on Sunday?
No, he doesn't.
When does he cook Japanese food?
He cooks Japanese food on Friday.
Excuse me?
Yes, ma'am.
I have a question. Does Stanley cook Chinese food on Monday?
No, he doesn't.
When does he cook Chinese food?
He cooks Chinese food on Wednesday.
I see. Thank you.
Okay,
Okay.
let's go. Will you choose a boy or a girl? A boy. Let's ask Abdurrahman. Abdurrahman. Okay, let's ask Omar. Omar. Yasin.
Yes.
Yasin, you are Yasin?
Yes.
Okay, Yasin, read the question number 1.
What does he cook on Wednesday?
Yes, what does he cook on Wednesday? Can you tell me what does he cook on Wednesday?
He cooks Chinese food.
Super, he cooks the Chinese food. Super, ya Omar, super. Okay,
Yes.
let's start another one.
I
Yes.
Yasin.
Yes, I'm sorry, Yasin. I'm sorry, you are super, Yasin. Okay, let's get you another one. Also a boy. Okay, Omar.
Yes.
Can you read the second question, Omar?
Where is it?
Omar, do you hear me, Omar?
Yes.
Okay, read the second question.
What kind of food does he cook on Friday?
Super, ya Omar. What kind of food does he cook on Friday?
Mixed.
Do you know the answer?
No.
Okay, Saja.
He cooks Japanese food on Friday.
Super, but I ask you, what kind of food does he cook? He cooks Japanese food. Super, ya Saja. Super. Okay. And now I show you a picture. Okay. I choose what, Noor? Can you open your mic, Noor? Okay, Noor. Noor, please tell me, what does she do? Please, all of you, mute yourself, and I'll ask, if I ask you to unmute yourself, unmute yourself. Noor.
Yes.
What does she do, ya Noor? What does she do?
She is washing her face.
Okay. Saja or Jana? Jana? Jana,
Yes.
do you hear her answer?
No, I didn't. Sorry.
Okay. Noor, please tell me your answer again. What does she do? Okay, Jana. Noor told me she is washing her face. Do you agree with her answer, Jana?
No, I don't.
Okay, what is the correct answer? Can you tell me?
Yes. She washes her hand.
Super, super. She washes her hand. Here, ya Jana, I ask you, sorry, Noor, I ask you and told, what does she do? What does she do? I don't ask you, what is she doing? I ask you, what does she do? What does she do? Okay, that's a correct answer. She washes her face. Okay, Luigi?
Yes.
If you know the answers, please raise your hand to choose from you, okay?
Okay.
The second picture, ya Luigi. What do they do? What
They
do
playing
they
football.
do? Again?
They playing football.
They playing football, okay. Yasin, do you agree with this answer, Yasin?
No.
No, what is the correct answer, do you think?
They plays football.
Okay, they plays football. Let's see another one. We have Noor, okay, Saja. Let's give Saja the chance.
It's they are playing football.
Okay, they are playing football. Okay, I want the boy or the girl that raise hand and write instead of his or her name dots. Who are you? What's your name? He or she raises her hand. Okay, Luigi?
Yes.
What do they do, ya Luigi? What do they do?
Any picture. I don't see the picture.
This picture, what do they do?
Screen. How good.
Why? Do you see my screen, all of you?
Yes.
Yes.
Do you see it, ya Luigi? Mariam?
Yes.
What do they do, ya Mariam?
They play football.
Super, ya Mariam, super, super, super. They play football. I don't ask you, what are they doing? What are they doing? If you listen to me well, you will find in the question, what are you doing? Are and doing. So in this case, you should answer me, they are playing. If I ask you, what are they doing? But here, I ask you, what do they do? What do they do? So you should tell me as Mariam. The last. They play football. They play football. Okay, I want any one of you to look at these two answers and tell me, what do you notice? What is the difference? What do you notice between these two answers? Noor? Do you know ya Noor?
Yes.
Okay, tell me ya Noor.
And the first picture, here we used she and we put S, but in the next picture we use they, so we don't put S.
We don't put S. Super, ya Noor. In this tense, we talk in the present simple. Present simple, it's a tense that expresses facts or habits, facts or habits, or repeated actions, or repeated actions. So here, I don't ask you, what is she doing? Okay, I ask you, what does she do? So in this case, with he or she or it, I want to tell you something. He, she, it, they are three siblings. They are three siblings. Do you know the meaning of siblings? Siblings like Maryam and her brother Muhammad and her brother Omar. If I talk about Maryam, Omar, and Muhammad, I have just told you that Muhammad and Omar, Maryam's brothers. So if I talk about Maryam, Omar, and Muhammad, I don't say brothers and sisters. No, I told you that they are siblings. They are siblings. So if you have brothers or sisters, so all of you siblings. So he, she, it, they are siblings. They are friends. They always walk with each other. They always walk with each
Other.
Okay. Noor, can you tell me, or we add S only, Noor, in this tense, in the present sample. Now we talk about the present sample that express facts. We talk about facts or habits or repeated actions. We add S only, Noor?
No, we add S or ES or IES.
Super, Noor, we add S, or ES or IES. Okay, we add S. And when we can add ES, who can tell me except Noor? We add ES, when we add ES on the verb. If you know, raise your hand.
Can you say the question again?
Noor told me that we don't add S only on the verb, and I want to tell you something urgently, that we put S on the verb, not on any word on the sentence, okay? We put S on the verb, not on any word on the sentence, okay? So Noor told me that I put S, ES, IES, Abdullah.
Yes.
We put this on the verb. When can we put ES?
When the word finished in S or E or SH or CH or X or O.
You are super, ya Abdullah. You are so super. Okay. Here, Abdullah told us that we add ES when the verb here end with what? Here on this verb, the verb here end with SH. So we add ES on OX, SS, CH, SH. Again, can you repeat after me? OX, SS, CH, SH.
You.
O like the verb go and the verb do. O end with O. So we add S or ES.
ES.
Yes,
Yeah.
supers. And
Yes.
also do change into does. Why it change into does? Because we add S.
Because it ends with O.
Yes, it ends with O. So we add S or ES.
ES.
ES, super.
Yes.
We add
Yes.
S or ES on any word on the sentence or on what?
On the verb. On the
On
verb.
the verb, supers, really supers. Okay, and the verb like watch. Watch end with CH. So we also add ES. But we add ES with O, X, SS, CH, SH. And who can tell me when we can add IES?
When the
When
verb
we can
ends
add
what?
Anyone?
No. When
No.
the word ends with Y and before Y constant.
Who tell me this answer?
Me, I'm Noor.
Super, Yenur. When the verb ends with Y, any Y? No, not any Y. Look before Y. You should what? Look before Y. If you find a consonant, cancel Y and put I-E-S. And put I-E-S. And if you find vowel, Y still. If you find vowel,
Y still.
Y still and add S on. Can you give me a verb that ends with Y and before it a vowel letter?
Me.
Who are you?
I'm Noor. Carry.
What?
I am Noor. I know the word.
Okay, what is the word?
Carry.
Hey,
Carry.
Noor. No, it's not pray. Pray.
Can I
You
say?
mean pray? Who are you?
I'm Jana.
Okay, Jana, tell me.
Play.
Play. You have here play. Okay, so this is Y, and before Y, the vowels. What are the vowels? They are 5 letters. الفاولز 5 letters only. A, O, E, I, U. The vowel, the 5 vowels. Okay, and you have enjoy. You have obey. You should obey your parents. You should follow the rules. Okay. Okay. Who can change the first sentence into negative? I want someone to change the first sentence into negative. Who can change the sentence into negative? Or who can tell me what we do negative in this, we do negative with what in this tense? Yes, ya Mariam?
I wanted to turn the sentence into negative.
Okay, tell me.
She isn't washing her face. Washing her face.
Okay. Who agree with the answer that Mariam told us? Who agree and who disagree?
I disagree.
I disagree.
Okay. Who disagree?
Me.
Omar? Tell me, Omar. And no. Tell me, Omar. Why do you disagree? What is the correct answer? Do you think?
She doesn't wash her face.
Okay. Let's choose Jana. Do you agree with Omar with the answers that Omar tell us?
Yes.
Yes, super, ya Omar. She doesn't wash her face. She doesn't wash her face. And I want you to tell me, she doesn't wash or she doesn't washes?
She doesn't wash.
She doesn't wash.
Yes, she doesn't wash. The verb stem after doesn't. The verb stem after doesn't. So I want you to look at the verb. Please, please, please. In any tense, if you want to write the correct answer, look at the verb. Look at the verb. If you find the S on the verb, if you find S, E-S, I-E-S, we make negative with doesn't. We make negative with
doesn't.
So if you want to write a correct answer, which whether it's negative or question, whether it's negative or question, look where. Look where.
Where?
You should look where. Huh? If you want to write the correct answer, you should look where to write the correct answer.
To the
Look at
verb.
the verb.
Yes, super, super. You should look at the verb. If you find S, E-S, I-E-S, you should make negative with doesn't. You should make negative with
doesn't.
Doesn't. Mariam, tell me the sentence again. What is the negative of the first sentence here, Mariam? Mariam.
She doesn't wash her face.
She doesn't wash her face. Super, ya Mariam. She doesn't wash her face. Okay, I want another one to make the second sentence negative. To change this sentence into negative. Taja?
They don't play football.
They don't play football. Okay. Can we choose what, Jana? Can you tell me this is the correct answer? Do you agree with this answer?
Yes.
Yes, super, Jana. Super, super. They don't. I told you, look at the verb. Look at the verb. If you don't find, do you hear me?
Yes.
If you don't find is or are or anything, and find the stem verb and find the infinitive verb, you should make negative with don't. So in the present simple, we make negative with don't or doesn't, because in the first sentence, I told you that he, she, it, love us. He, she, it, love us. So here we make negative with don't or doesn't. We make negative with don't or
doesn't.
And the verb stem. Look at watch. Here watches and here watch, because H jump. S jump in does. S jump in does. And if you look here, you find don't play. Who can make a question? Who can make a question? I want another participants, new participants. Who can share? Who can share with us? And please, please tell me the answer if it was all of you learn. Can I hear you, Ziad? Sarah, where is Sarah? Where is Ziad? Sarah, Ziad. Abdullah, you told us one answer only. Where are you? Noor Islam. Where are you, Noor Islam? Please share with us, please. I want you to share whether the answer is right or wrong, because we learned today.
What's the question?
Okay, Abdullah. Can you make a question, please?
Question for what?
For the first sentence, she washes her face. I want yes, no question.
What is she doing?
What is she doing? Okay, who agree with this answer?
Not me. Not me.
Who are you?
Not me.
Who are you?
I am
Who
Noor.
are you? Okay, Noor. Abdullah, I told you that here you have on the verb s. You don't have is, am, are, and the verb with ing. Okay, this tense we will talk about it. But now you have s on the verb, not am, is, are, and verb plus ing. You look at the sentence and find am, is, are, and verb plus ing. So you are correct. Ask with is or are or am. But here you have s on the verb. Can you make a question? Who can make a question? Jana.
Yes.
I greet you, Abdullah, because you are trying. Yes, Jana?
Does she wash her face?
Again, raise your voice.
You need the yes or no question, right?
Yes, no question, but raise your voice.
Okay. Does she wash her face?
Super, 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 ya Jana. Because I told you we make negative with don't or doesn't. We make negative with what? Don't or doesn't.
Doesn't.
So also we make question with do or does. Because negative, I told you that I don't want this, or I don't do this. This is a negative. So why here we put not? Because I don't do this. But here, I make question with does. I make question with does. And also the verb stem. الverb infinitive because the S jump in does. The S jump in what?
Does.
Does. So we ask with does. We make negative with don't or doesn't, and ask with does. Does she wash her face? Okay. Abdullah, please, can you try make a question for the second sentence?
Do they play football?
You are super, Abdullah. Really, really, you are super here because I have the verb stem. The verb in the infinitive. The verb in the infinitive. So I make question with do. I make question with what? Do. So in the present simple, we make negative with don't or doesn't and make question with do or does. And also we put on the verb S-E-S, I-E-S with what? With he, she, it. The three siblings. The three what?
Sibling.
Siblings. Okay, here I revise with you what we have said. Here, if you look at I, we, you, they, you will find the verb stem. And here, if you look at he, she, it, you will find the verb with S. Okay? And here, as I told you, if you find the SS, SH, CH, O, X, we add ES. We add ES. And if you look at the verb try and look before Y, you find the R. So R is consonant or vowel? The letter R, consonant or vowel?
Consonant.
Consonant. So we cancel Y and put IES here tries. We make negative with don't or doesn't here and the verb stem after them. Here we make question with do or does. We make question with do or does. And if I ask you to make question with WH question, start with what or where or how and so on. And put do or does after them. What does, as I ask you at the beginning of the lesson, what does she do? What do they play? Or what do they do? Okay?
Okay.
Let's practice. I'll give you a game. I'll play again now, and I want all of you to share with me. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, please. All share with me whether the answer is right or wrong. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
And at the end of the session, inshallah, I'll send you all these links.
Okay.
Do you hear me? Do you hear me?
Yes.
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 Okay. see my screen?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, try to share with you the link until it opens. I don't know what happened. Okay, let's start.
Okay.
Okay.
Please remember me to send you these links, okay?
Okay.
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 The first question, who can answer? Sorry.
Me.
Who can answer
Me.
the question? Who are you?
Can I am Noor?
Okay,
Can I?
Noor. Okay, Noor.
Can I?
Where are you? Start.
Miss, can I?
Read the sentence, Noor.
Miss, can I? Noor has left the meeting. Miss, can I?
Do you hear me? Hear me?
Yes.
Oh, oh, oh.
السلام عليكم جميعا. مس اسماء حضرتك سامعاني؟ مس اسماء؟ مس اسماء حضرتك سامعاني؟ واضح ان في مشكله عند الميس في النت. لحظه وهترجع
تقريبا.
تاني. لحظه وهترجع تاني ان شاء الله.
إن شاء الله.
ثواني والميس داخلة تاني بإذن الله يا جماعة. ياسمين أو سجا أو عمر، حد عايز يقول حاجة؟
لا يا مستر.
Hello?
Hello.
Do you hear me now? I'm so sorry for that, for what happened.
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay, let's complete.
Miss, your sound is unstable.
Do you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay. If you see my screen, please tell me, okay?
Okay.
I'm sorry, wait. Do you see my screen now?
No.
You don't see my screen?
No. He told Asmaء Fahim has started the screen sharing.
What?
Yes, I see it.
Okay. Okay, who can answer the first question?
Can I?
Who are you? Yasin?
Yasin.
Okay, let's start with Yasin.
She works at the office in the town center.
Jana or Saja. Saja, do you agree with this answer, Saja?
No.
Why?
She
What
works.
will you-
She works.
Okay, he told us she works. So, the right answer is she works at the office because she loves us. Okay. The next one. Mariam, can you read the sentence?
Yes. My father to the bread factory. He is a baker. My father goes.
My father goes. Super,
I
ya Mariam,
disagree
he
with this
goes.
answer.
Why? Who disagree?
Not
Who
me.
disagree? Okay, who told me?
I'm
Yasin.
sorry, I
Why,
read it,
Yasin? Why you disagree with this answer?
I'm sorry, I read it to the factory, not to the bread factory.
Yes, here my father. My father, he. My father, he. So here we choose goes. We choose goes. The next one. Who can answer this? Yasin, answer this, please.
Miss, the kitchen doesn't transfer.
What?
The kitchen doesn't change.
Okay.
Okay, I am a hairdresser. I doesn't work in a cafe.
I what?
I doesn't work.
I doesn't work. Okay. Who agree with this answer?
Not me.
Not me.
Not me. Not me.
I don't.
Who Jana? Okay. Why don't you agree with this?
I don't
answer?
work. I don't work.
Yes.
This is the
Omar,
answer.
I'm sorry. You see, if you look here, you will find the I. And the I don't love S. I here don't love S. So we choose I don't work. I don't work. The next one. Do you see the question? Hello? Do you hear me? Or do you see the question?
I can see the question.
You see the same question?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Let's return to our slide. I don't know what's happening. Okay, I'll show you a slide and play another game.
Okay.
Miss,
Yes?
don't forget to send us the links.
Okay, I do the links. So I told you that today we talk about the present simple. I want someone of you to read these keywords. Who can read?
Me.
Okay. I want new participants. Where is Samah? Where is Omar? Okay, let's
I'm
read
here.
Maryam.
I'm here.
Okay, read ya Omar. Read and raise your hand if you know the answer or don't know the answer.
Okay. Keyword.
Miss.
Yes.
This is our old Omar.
Okay. Read ya Omar, start.
Keyword. Always.
Always.
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Usually.
Usually.
Seldom.
Seldom.
Every day. Someday.
Every
day.
And here every Omar, and here every I use with every. We can say every day, we can say every Sunday, we can say every month, every year. So we don't say every only, every week, every month, every day, every Sunday, and so on. Again, ya Omar, read.
Every day.
Every day.
Every Sunday.
Every Sunday.
Often.
Often.
I don't know this word.
Occasionally. Again, occasionally.
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 Huh?
Rarely.
Rarely.
Never.
Never. Okay. Who can read else?
Me.
Maryam. Read ya Maryam.
Me? Miss?
Yes?
I have a question.
Read the words ya Maryam. The keywords. What are the keywords of the
Assalamu
present
alaikum, Miss
simple?
Asma. Sorry for interruption. Can you end in 2 minutes, please?
Okay, okay.
Thank you. عشان بس الشباب ياخدوا ريست شوية 5 دقايق ومش سماح تبدأ معاهم الساينس بإذن الله.
Okay, okay. Okay, I want to tell you that the keywords here are the flashlight. The keywords here are the flashlight. What is the meaning of the flashlight? The flashlight is something that you told you to choose what from the sentence. As we know that we will choose the verb with S, ES, IES with he, she, it, or the verb stem with I, they, we, and you. Okay?
Okay, Miss, I have a question.
Yeah. Okay. What's your question?
Every comes with any time. Only time, yeah, it doesn't come with place or.
No, I can say I get up at 7 o'clock every day. Yeah, I mean here that every day I get up at 6 o'clock. Every day I get up at 6 o'clock. I can say I visit my grandma every Friday. That means that I visit my grandma every Friday. Every Friday I should go to my grandma. Okay, I want to tell you the last thing that the flashlights, these keywords that I showed to you, come before the verb. I usually get up. I always get up. I often visit my grandmother. Okay.
Okay.
Now I'll send you the links in the chat box. Thank you and goodbye.
Bye.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
How are you, everybody?
We are fine, thank you.
Thank you. I'm Ismaء.
Okay.
I'll teach you science, inshallah.
Okay.
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 Let's know each other. What's your name?
Omar.
Omar.
Yasin.
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 Yasin. Omar and Yasin. Who else with us?
Jana. Staja.
Jana. Okay.
Saja. Saja.
Saja. Okay. Omar, Yasin, Saja, Jana. Who else? You're about 9 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. You have Adam. Adam with us. Adam. Noor. Noor.
Yes.
Okay. Yasin, Omar, Adam, Jana, Mariam. Where is there are 2 Mariam. Can you turn on your mic and tell me, Mariam, your name, your full name? Mariam. Okay. Saja and Mariam, Jana. Okay. Let's start our lesson. Okay. Omar. Omar. Turn on your mic.
Yes.
Can you revise with me the classroom?
Okay. Open your camera.
Yes, always open your camera.
Raise your hand when needed. Don't disturb and use chat box.
Bravo. Thank you, Omar. Thank you very much. Yasin.
Close your camera. Don't eat or drink. Sit appropriate.
Yes, sit in a appropriate place on your desk, and please the quiet place. Okay. Thank you very much, Omar and Yasin. Okay. Last session, you talked about the molecule with Miss.
Yes.
Yes, with Miss Amma. Excellent. Adam, can you open your mic? Turn on your mic, please. No? Okay, Jana?
Yes.
Remember, you remember what is the molecule?
Yes.
Okay, help me to refresh your friend's mind, memory. The molecule is?
It is the small building unit of the matter.
The smallest part of the matter, or the
Can exist freely.
Can exist freely, and we underline this phrase because today we will talk about another part and we will differentiate between the molecule and the atom. Okay? Excellent, ya Jannah. Thank you very much. Our keywords today, okay, we will learn new words.
Atom.
Who is Noor? Turn on your mic, please.
Yes.
Yes, all of you. Turn off your mic and repeat after me. Repeat while your mic is off, okay? Only Noor, open your mic or turn on your mic.
Okay.
Noor, say with me, atom.
Atom.
1 minute, I will
Atom.
hear the sound. 1 minute, please. Do you hear the sound of my laptop or no?
No.
You don't
No.
hear it? Okay,
Yes.
1 minute.
No.
Okay, here it is. Okay. Again, Noor,
Yes.
atom.
Atom.
Atom, excellent. Saja, turn on your mic.
Yes.
Element,
Element.
excellent. Okay, now your mic turn off. Who else? Mariam?
Yes.
Yes. Compound.
Compound.
There is another Mariam? Opinion. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Chemical formula.
Chemical formula.
Excellent. Okay. What is this, Yauma?
Drop of water.
Drop of water. Okay. Drop of water. The water is a matter, and the matter consists of small parts called
Molecules.
molecules. Excellent. This or these molecules consist of tiny particles smaller than the molecule. These particles also cannot be seen by naked eye or by microscope. Yassine, can you tell me or can you describe these molecules? This is the drop of water. We take a smaller sample, okay? Inside this drop of water, there is millions of molecules. Can you describe the molecule to me? What can you see? This is one molecule. And this is another molecule. What it looks like? You see?
Yes.
What do you see? Describe what you see. This molecule, what's look like?
It looked like some atoms.
In your words, you don't have to get scientific terms. Just what do you see?
I see that the water contains of molecule, and in each molecule, one atom of oxygen and 2 atoms of hydrogen.
Excellent. You see here, one here, you call it atom. This here for represent oxygen, and other two atoms represent the hydrogen. Excellent. Noor. Noor.
Yes.
Does all the molecules in the water looks like each other or different?
Different.
Different? This molecule different from this one or the same?
I can't hear you.
This molecule. Can you see it? Oxygen and two hydrogen. And the other molecule also what? Oxygen?
I didn't attend yesterday class.
Okay. Never mind. Just follow me and answer my question, okay? Look carefully here. We have this molecule. We said last session that any matter consists of molecules. And these molecules are very tiny and build up this matter, okay? Today, we will deep more. We will go to search what is inside the molecule. The molecule have also tiny particles inside it, okay? We will discover it today.
Okay.
Now we take a drop of water and look inside. We found molecules. This part is a molecule. This is a molecule. Yasin said that the molecule consists of oxygen and two hydrogen. Okay?
Yes.
My question for you is, does all the molecules inside the water are the same or they are different?
Different.
This is one. Have oxygen and hydrogen. This one have?
Oxygen and hydrogen. All of them are similar.
And this one? Also have?
Oxygen and hydrogen. All of them are similar.
So all of them are similar. Thank you very much, all of you. Excellent. So now we have rule here that in the same matter or in the same substance, the molecules are alike. Okay? Inside the same matter, the molecules are alike or similar. But if it is another substance, they will be different. And we will see it now. Molecules consist or composed of a tiny structural units called Yasin. You say it's called?
Atoms.
Atoms. Okay, this is a lot of information. We will have activity here. Okay. Do you have your pencils and notebooks?
Yes.
Okay, prepare it. Here we have letters. Yeah, Jana, say the letters with me.
A, E, O, R, S, T.
Okay, excellent. I need you to, in 2 minutes, make as many words as you can using only these letters. You can repeat the letter, but you can't use any letter except these letters. Okay? Start to count. 2 minutes.
I didn't understand this part.
You have 6 letters. Okay? Use them to make words. Change the order, repeat the letters, whatever the words come to your mind, but you need to use these 6 letters only. Don't put any other letter. Don't put P, for example. Don't put C. A, E, O, R, S, T only. Make words from these letters. Repeat the letters, no problem. Okay?
Miss, the share screen is off.
different content. Okay. Thirty seconds pass. We have Yasin, Omar, Noor,
Yes.
Saja, Mariam, and Mariam. Does anyone doesn't hear his name?
No. No.
Me.
What's your name?
That means
What's your name?
Jana.
Jana. Okay. Yasin, Saja, Jana, Mariam, Omar, Noor. Mariam or two Mariam? I need both of you to open your.
Two Mariam.
No, she did out from the class. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay.
Miss, that means that we are 2 awards in these 6 words, but I can't use any other letters than 6.
Okay, no problem. Think you have another 30 seconds. Okay.
Teacher,
Yes.
I want to ask questions. Can I like write any words even if it doesn't have anything to do with science?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Miss, can I use less than 6?
Yes, you can. The only rule that you don't bring any letter except these 6. This is the only rule. Finish?
Yes.
Okay.
I write 3 words.
You open your cameras, please, because I can't see you. Mariam, Omar, Yasin, Noor, Jana, why don't you turn on your camera? Thank you.
Sorry, I can't open my camera.
Okay. Okay.
I write 3 words only.
You what?
I write 3 words only.
No problem. Start with Yasin. What is the words you get? What are the words you get? Yasin.
Yes.
Tell me the words.
Treat.
Three. 3. Yes.
Treat.
I can't hear you. Raise your voice, please.
Treat.
3. Okay.
Set.
Set. Okay.
The another set.
What is the spelling?
SEAT.
Ah, C. Okay.
Rest.
What?
Rest.
Say the letters, please. I can't hear you.
REST.
Rest. Yes. Okay. Thank you very much, Yasin. Omar.
There's another.
Yes. That's more than enough. Thank you very much, Yasin. Excellent for you. Omar. You have another word?
Yes.
Tell me.
C.
C.
Rest.
Rest. Yasin said.
Roast.
What?
Roast.
Roast. Okay. Thank you very much.
Ear.
Ear. Do we have one? Ear. Excellent job. Excellent. All of you. Noor and Mariam, Jana, and Sajid. You have
I
your
write
words?
C.
I have.
Okay. Look at your words. Okay. All of you, look at your words.
وفي تاني.
No problem. I just need these words. Okay. Now, these words, we can describe the molecule as words. Okay. It consists of atoms. So the atom is the letters. Okay. Imagine that the molecule is the word and the atoms are the letters. Okay. Okay.
I can't understand.
Okay. We will describe it now. How many words did you make? Some of you make about 5 words, some make 2 words, right?
3 words.
We can imagine that the letters are the atoms combined together to make a word. The letters are the atoms combined and bond together to make a molecule.
A molecule.
A word, or in our case, in chemistry, a molecule. Okay? So the molecule is the words and the atoms are the letters. Okay?
Okay.
So now we understand that the molecule, ya Mariam, is the building unit of the matter, and ya Mariam, in the same substance, the molecule are alike. But the different substances, molecules are
different.
Mariam, where are you? Different. Excellent. Okay. Noor.
Yes.
What is this? Read.
What?
Read. What is this? Water molecule. And this?
Water molecule. Hydrogen molecule.
Hydrogen molecule. And this?
Sodium chloride molecule.
Chloride molecule.
Sodium chloride molecule. This picture describe this sentence. Water, different from hydrogen, different substance from sodium chloride. Does this molecule looks like this one? Yeah, Saja?
Yes.
This one looks like this one?
No.
No, because this is different substance. Water, different from hydrogen. Okay? What is the difference between this and this?
The water molecule has oxygen, but the hydrogen molecule doesn't have oxygen in it.
So the type of the atom. First, difference in the type of the atom or the type of the element, right?
Okay.
Yes.
Excellent. Jana, how many atoms here?
3.
And here?
2.
2. Excellent. So, type and number. Okay? The molecules different from each other by the type and the number. Okay. Omar. Omar. Omar, turn on your mic and your cameras. Where is your camera? All of you turn on your camera, please. Omar, are you with me? Unmute your mic.
Yes.
Okay. Is it easy until now or difficult? Omar, turn on your mic.
Yes.
Okay. Is it easy until now? Something you don't understand?
No.
Okay. What is this? Sodium molecule. How many atoms inside the sodium molecule? How many? Can you see this the picture?
No.
How many? How many atoms?
Don't know.
How many? Okay, we will back to you, Omar, but please, can you hear me? Okay, I think your mic have a problem. It keeps turning on and turning off. Okay, Yasin.
Yes.
This is the sodium molecule. How many atoms inside the sodium molecule?
1 atom.
1 atom, excellent. What about the hydrogen molecule? How many?
2.
2. And what is this?
Ozone molecule.
Ozone, excellent. And this one?
Oxygen molecule.
How many atoms?
2.
Excellent, excellent, Yasin. Bravo. Teja.
Yes.
All these molecules have something in common. What is this? Try to see. They are different, I know. There's something they are in common.
They all have atoms?
Yes, each one of them have atoms. The molecule have the same atoms or different atoms inside it. For example, the ozone molecule. How many atoms?
3.
3 similar atoms or different?
Similar.
And this one? Similar or different?
Similar.
This one?
Similar.
Excellent. So all of them has, each one has the same atoms inside it. Noor. Noor.
Yes.
We call this elements. Can you tell me what is the meaning of element? It is a molecule have
oxygen atoms.
But this one has hydrogen.
What?
This one has hydrogen. Okay, I will give you an example to understand what is the element. Okay, 1 minute.
ميس ممكن اقول يعني ايه element؟
No, Noor. Okay, Noor.
See this, what I just wrote? H2O, 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen, right? This one, I can't say it's element. Why? Can you think why? The others, this and this and this and this, are elements. But H2O, not elements. Why? Why do you think? What is the difference?
Can I answer?
No. This H2O, how many atoms inside it?
3.
3. All of them same or different?
No. Different.
Different. So we can't say it's an element because the element must have the same atoms inside it, its molecule. This one has 2 oxygens, same. 3 oxygens, same. Okay? But if we have different atoms inside the molecule, we can say it's element. Okay?
That means that the elements is have to be the two things similar.
Again, but raise your voice.
That means that the elements is 2 things similar.
The atoms inside the molecule are similar. So we can say it's element. Okay? Okay. Now we will have the element divided into 3 types. The element molecule divided into 3 types. Solid, liquid, and gas. We know all of us know these states of matter. Okay? Some solid elements are monoatomic. What is this word? What is this word? Who can guess with me what is this word? Raise your hand if you know, or you can guess.
What's mean of monoatomic?
Monoatomic. Mono. Okay. Maria?
That means it has the element contains 1 atom.
The molecule contains 1 atom. Excellent. Excellent, yeah, Maria. Saja, can you think of an example?
Yes.
From here?
Sodium molecule.
Excellent, excellent. Sodium molecule. Okay. If it is liquid, we have 2 types, monoatomic and diatomic. What is the meaning of diatomic, Ya Yasin?
It means that the molecule have 2 atoms.
The molecule has 2 atoms. Excellent. Mariam?
Yes.
Yasin said that diatomic means 2 atoms. Are you agree with him?
Yes.
Yes. Can you, excellent. Can you imagine, we didn't take an example yet. The example of liquids, monoatomic liquids, is mercury. You know the mercury?
Yes.
And so used in what? Can you tell me?
Thermometer.
What?
Thermometer.
Thermometer, excellent. Is it metal or non-metal?
Metal, but liquid metal.
Metal. It is the only liquid metal. What about bromine?
What?
Bromine. It is the only liquid. The opposite of mercury. Mercury is the only liquid metal. Bromine, metal. The only
liquid
non-metal. Non-metal. Excellent, bro. Excellent. So now we have all the solid materials, or sorry, all the solid elements are monoatomic. This means that the molecules of all solids have 1 atom. Example like, sorry, example,
sodium, iron, sulfur, magnesium, aluminum, carbon, and copper. The liquids, we have two liquids, monoatomic, and it is the only metal liquid, mercury. Diatomic, and it is the only non-metal liquid, bromine. What about gases, yes, Saja?
Yes.
We have monoatomic gases. Can you read this word?
Yes.
What?
Noble gases.
Noble gases. It's called noble because it doesn't react with anything in the normal conditions. It lives alone. Okay? Monoatomic. The molecule have one atom. Like what, ya Saja?
Helium.
Excellent.
Neon.
Bravo.
Argon. Krypton. Xenon, and radon.
And radon. Excellent. Bravo. Do we have diatomic gases? Yes, we have diatomic gases. Actually, there are 7. Okay. Noor. Tell me example for diatomic gases.
Hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen,
Chlorine.
Chlorine,
Nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen, fluorine. Excellent, excellent. And also we have triatomic. Who can guess what is the meaning of triatomic?
Can I say?
I know.
The molecule that contains of 3 atoms.
Excellent. And we have an example for that, Yasin? Yasin? Triatomic gas?
What?
Example for triatomic gas? Ozone. Okay? Ozone. What is the difference, Ya Omar, between the ozone and the oxygen? Both of them are gas.
Ozone have 2 atomic and oxygen have 2 atomic and the ozone have 3 atomic.
Excellent. Oxygen is diatomic molecule, has 2 atoms in its molecule, but the ozone has 3 atoms. Okay. Now, these are some examples of, okay, before we get this, I need you to play a game with me. Okay, let's play. Let's build a molecule.
Teacher, tomorrow we have review chemistry.
Okay, let's see. Omar, can you start with me and build a molecule? Here, okay. Here is your hint, your molecule.
What?
What is this?
Water.
Water. The molecule of water consists of?
Hydrogen.
Yes.
Two atoms.
So I will put 1 atom of oxygen and how many hydrogen?
1.
1?
2.
2. Excellent. Yes. That's the water. Okay. Put it here. Okay. Excellent, Ya Omar. Excellent. Jana, I need you to build oxygen molecule.
Okay.
How many, or what is the type of the atom?
Oxygen molecule consists of 2 oxygen atoms.
So I put 2 oxygen at, yes, excellent. That's oxygen molecule. Excellent. Teja,
Yes.
which one you will choose?
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide, huh? How I build carbon dioxide?
So 1 carbon and 2
Atom
oxygen.
and 2 oxygen. Like this. See what happened here? When I put only 1 oxygen, what's happened? Read.
Carbon monoxide.
Yes, if I put 2, it is another formula, another name, carbon dioxide. Excellent. Yes, Aja. So from here we can say, 1 minute. We can say that the type of atoms change the name of the molecule, the type and the number, right?
Right. Yes.
Right. Who's me? Mariam. This is a water molecule which we built it seconds ago. Water molecule. And this one is Mariam?
Yes.
This one is?
Which one? Where?
Carbon?
Where?
This one?
Carbon dioxide.
Yes, carbon dioxide. And this one, yeah. Jenna?
Yes.
This one?
Sodium chloride molecule.
The name of sodium chloride is table salt, lower salt we use to on food. Okay, these molecules we can't say it's element. Why? You can tell me. Raise your hands. I will see your hands. Why can't I say these are elements? Yasin.
عشان عنصر يعني.
Not element. Why? Remember the element, the molecule have the same. ها ياسين.
نعم. حضرتك عايز تعرفي للصوديوم كلورايد
not element
صح؟
not element. Sodium chloride not element.
هنا هو not element عشان هو إن الصوديوم مع الكلورايد ادانا التيبل سولت.
In English we can say because the sodium chloride molecule consists of 2 different atoms. Okay, let's back a few slides here. Remember this one? This oxygen molecule is element because the oxygen molecule consists of 2 similar atoms. Here, the hydrogen molecule consists of 2 similar atoms. But here, each one of these consists of different atoms. The sodium chloride consists of how many, Ayasin?
2 atoms.
But 2 different, not similar. Excellent, bravo. Jana.
Yes.
What about carbon dioxide? Is it element or not?
No, it's not.
Why?
Because it consists of 2 different atoms.
Excellent. But not 2, huh? 3.
3. Sorry.
3 different atoms. If you count the number, it's 3. If you count the time, it's 2. Okay, excellent.
In this case, we call these molecules compounds. We call them compounds. Say the word with me. Compound.
Compound.
Compounds.
Compounds.
But it gets more complicated, not simple like the elements. The elements were very simple. This is compound.
Compound.
Compound. Excellent. Okay. Okay. Mariam. So,
Yes.
the molecules of different substances, different in their properties and different from each substance. Why? Because they have different what?
They have different numbers of atoms and the kind of atoms.
Kind of the type of atoms
and the way of
the way
combination.
of combination. Back to the slide. See this? How it combines to each other, and this one how it's combined with one bond, here with two bonds. So the way of combination. Okay, so different in the number, different in the type, and the way of combination that makes the molecules of each substance different from the other substance. Okay. Okay, now we have, you have your notebooks and pens?
Yes.
Okay, let's watch this.
Teacher, we will have homework?
Today, no. Today, no homework. Okay?
Okay.
Watch this video with me. Sorry, 1 minute. This video. 1 minute. I need you to focus in this video to answer. Wait. To answer these questions. Take it as a screenshot or write it down to answer them. Compounds have similar atoms. Molecules must have different atoms. All compounds are molecules. The video is a minute and a half. You have to answer these 3 questions after watching the video. Did you take the screen or write them down?
Okay, no.
Okay.
Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome to Abu TV. And today we will be studying the difference between a molecule and a compound. A molecule is formed when 2 or more atoms join together. A compound is a molecule that contains at least 2 different elements. So, a molecule can consist of 2 or more atoms of the same element joined together. But a compound must always have at least 2 atoms of different elements joined together. Therefore, you can say that all compounds are molecules, but not all molecules are compounds. For example, oxygen gas is not a compound because it only consists of one type of element. But carbon dioxide is a compound because it consists of atoms of different elements.
Is carbon dioxide molecule?
Yes.
Yes, it is a molecule, and we can say it's a compound.
Joined together, carbon and oxygen. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching.
Okay, now let's see. يلا يا سجا. سجا.
Yes.
Compounds have similar atoms. This is right or wrong?
Wrong.
Wrong. Excellent. Excellent, yes, Sajid. Jana.
Yes.
Molecule must have different atoms. Molecules
False.
must. Excellent, excellent. What about, okay. What about all compounds are molecules? Yeah, Maria.
Right.
Right. Excellent, excellent. Bravo. All of you are super. Okay, who can help me with this example? Omar. Omar, where are you?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. This water, H2O. How many atoms?
One.
In the atoms, count. How many?
One.
One oxygen and?
Two hydrogen.
Don't look here, look here, look here. This is a water molecule. This is one atom, and this is other atom, and this is other one. How many?
One oxygen atom, two hydrogen atom.
Okay, now you are telling me the types of atoms. No, I want the total. How many? One, two, and?
One water molecule, one oxygen atom, with two hydrogen atoms.
Excellent, excellent. Two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. If we count it total as a total, they are three atoms. If I ask you how many elements, how many different elements inside? Two, hydrogen and oxygen. But how many atoms in total? Three. What is the types? Two hydrogen and one oxygen.
Two hydrogen atom and one oxygen.
Excellent, Yamar. You are super. Yasin. And after
Yes.
Yasin, Noor. Yasin, sodium chloride. Tourist. How many atoms?
Two.
Total. Yes, two. How many elements?
Two.
Excellent. Describe them. What is the type of atoms? One.
One sodium and one chloride.
Excellent. Excellent. Bravo. Noor. Noor.
Yes.
This molecule called ammonia molecule. Ammonia molecule. How many atoms? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many?
3.
Count with me.
Yeah.
This one, the pink
Four,
one.
sorry,
4. Excellent. 4. How many elements?
2.
How many?
2.
2. Only nitrogen and hydrogen.
Yes.
We can describe it by saying
1 nitrogen atom, 3 hydrogen atoms.
excellent. Super, super. Excellent. Really, you are. This game we did it already. Okay. Okay. Now, 1 minute. I will spin and choose. The spinner will choose who will answer. Saja. Saja?
Yes.
Tell me. All the following are diatomic gases, molecules, except one, nitrogen, argon, or chlorine.
Chlorine.
Okay.
Chlorine.
No. Okay, wait. Mariam. Mariam? Mariam. Okay. Mariam is not here. Jana. Jana?
Yes. Yes.
They just said that all these are diatomic except chlorine. Is it correct answer or not? Do we need to go back to the slides? Okay. It was in the 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay, look at this slide carefully. Monoatomic, all the solids. Liquids, mercury mono, bromine di. Gases, there are a lot of gases. So, monoatomic are the noble gases. Helium, repeat after me. Helium.
Helium.
Neon.
Neon.
Argon.
Argon.
Argon. Krypton.
Krypton. Krypton.
Xenon.
Xenon. Xenon.
But the diatomic, the normal gases we know. Hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen.
Hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, chlorine.
And fluorine. Also, okay? Okay. Go back to the questions. Pleasure.
Yes.
All the following are diatomic, except
Argon.
Argon. Excellent, yes. Excellent. Back to the spinner. Mariam. 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 Okay. The second question, ya Mariam. Molecules. Mute the mic. Okay, Mariam. The molecules that possess two different atoms, both an atom, an element, a compound. Excellent. Excellent, ya Mariam. Okay, the spinner again. Sorry. What happened? It doesn't spin. Again, spinner. Mariam again, no. Yasin. Yasin. Yasin?
Yes.
Water molecule is composed of, can you remember?
1 hydrogen and 2 oxygen.
Okay, are you sure? Omar. Omar. Omar.
Yes.
Yasin said 1 hydrogen and 2 oxygen. Is it correct?
1 hydrogen. Yes.
No, 2 hydrogen and 1
No,
oxygen.
no. 1 oxygen atom and 2 hydrogen atom.
Excellent, excellent. Both of you, excellent. Thank you. Okay, next name. Jana. Jana. Is this
Yes.
figure? All of them molecules of elements, except which one is not element?
D.
D. Okay. Noor. Agree with Jana? She said
Yes.
D.
Yes, because the element is the two similar molecules, and
Yes.
this different.
Because the element consists of 2 similar atoms, while what is it called? What we call this one? Yeah, Noor, what we call this one?
One different.
Yes, different. So what is the name of this molecule? Element or compound?
A compound.
Excellent, Rob. Excellent. We have to spin it once more and Yasin. The molecule of oxygen is composed of
two oxygen atoms.
Two oxygen atoms. Excellent. Okay. I need all of you to write in the chat box the answer of the first one. No, sorry, second one. Second one. Choose the odd word. We have neon, argon, oxygen, and xenon. Which one is odd, different?
Xenon.
Write on the chat box.
Miss, which question? Number 1 or 2?
Number 2. Number 2. Yasin and Mariam. Okay. Why? Okay, Mariam. Mariam and Jenna are correct. Excellent, both of you. Can you answer the question, yeah, Mariam, and tell us why?
Because oxygen isn't an element.
Excellent. Oxygen isn't a noble gas. Neon, argon, and xenon are noble gas. Excellent. What is the meaning of noble gas and not noble gas? Yeah, Jenna. What is the difference? Jenna?
Yes.
This one have.
The difference is oxygen because oxygen isn't a noble gas.
Isn't a noble gas. That means it has 2 or 1 atoms.
2.
2 atoms. While neon, argon, and xenon has
1 atom.
1 atom. Excellent. Omar. Excellent. Omar.
Yes.
Hydrogen, helium, chlorine, bromine, and nitrogen. Which one is different?
Bromine.
Excellent. Why?
Because please 1 second.
All of them gases except bromine. It is
bromine liquid.
Liquid. We can't say, in number 2, we will say that all of them monoatomic except oxygen. In number 3, all of them diatomic. But bromine is a liquid. Yasin, ammonia, water, aluminum, and hydrogen chloride.
Aluminum.
Ammonium. Excellent. Why? Because it is an?
Because all of them are an atomic compound.
Excellent.
Except aluminum is an element.
Excellent. Saja, brine, water, bromine, and carbon. What is this? Saja. Saja, are you with us? No, Saja not with us. Noor. Chlorine, water, bromine, and carbon. Noor. Okay. Jenna?
Yes.
Chlorine, water, bromine, and carbon.
Water.
Water. Excellent. Why? Because it is?
Compound.
And all of them
are elements.
Okay. This is your homework. Okay, take a screenshot. And this is your homework. I told you I won't give you a homework, but this is a question to think until the next session. Okay? Is it difficult? Or we can solve it now? What do you
We
think?
can solve it now.
Okay.
We can solve it now.
Start, Yasin. This one, element or compound? Yasin? Figure number 1, element or compound?
Figure number 1 is element.
Excellent. Omar?
Yes.
Figure number 2?
Water.
Yes, it's water. It's element or compound? Element with the same atoms in the molecule, or water, or compound with different atoms in the molecule? Omar?
Yes.
Element or compound?
What?
Element or compound? I don't want the name. I need the type.
Compound.
Compound. Excellent. Noor?
Yes.
3.
Compound.
Compound. Excellent. Saja? Saja with us or no? No, Saja no. Mariam? Is this element or compound?
Element.
Excellent. Element. Mariam or Jana? Mariam. Mariam didn't answer, huh?
No, that was me.
Okay.
This one.
This one? Element or compound? Mariam.
I answered the last question.
So Jana didn't answer. Okay, Jana. Figure number 5. Element or compound?
Compound.
Compound. Excellent. Okay, all of you are super, and really I enjoyed this session with you. But I need to know, is it easy or difficult?
Easy.
Easy. All of you agree with Omar? It's easy?
Yes.
So
Yes.
Easy or difficult?
Easy. So easy.
So easy. Okay. Okay. Super scientist. See you next session, inshallah. Okay? Bye. Mariam? Mariam?